Hello everybody, today we are at Warsaw HVAC Expo 2024. My name is Warsaw HVAC and I'm CEO and proxy at Mycond Polska. Actually, we are at Mycond Polska stand and I would like to tell you about activity Mycond Polska in Poland. We established our subsidiary 2 years ago, 2022. Those last 2 years we have spent for building our infrastructure, sales department, technical department. We opened also our training center and we completed our service teams. So now we are fully operating on the Polish market. What is the future for Mycond Polska? The future is that we are looking reliable partners across the Europe. So if you are interested in cooperation with very innovative technology, with very innovative, efficient and good quality products, please contact Mycond Polska. Mycond lineup is divided into two main product categories. The first one is residential category and the second one is commercial product category. Residential includes the products such as heat pumps, split type and monoblock, different types of fan coil units, air handling units for residential solution and system of controls. The main products in commercial category are VRF systems. We have available outdoor units with cooling capacity from 12 up to 32 kilowatts with the horizontal outlet and 25 up to 68 kilowatts cooling capacity with the vertical outlet. The main product category in commercial are air handling units. We have available capacities from 150 cubic meters up to 100,000 cubic meters, which allows us to participate in different size of projects. The last one but not least among the commercial product category are chillers and modular heat pump with available capacity from 30 kilowatts up to 500 kilowatts. And we have possibility to build the system up to 2 megawatts.